and you'll be amazed at the results. And your confidence level will reach new heights. Lasson's professionally formulated breast enhancer stimulates and regenerates the growth process in an all-natural and clinically proven safe method. Lasson will increase your bust line up to 2 inch sizes. It's all-natural, it's safe, and it's guaranteed. If you're not completely happy with the Lasson results, it's
Turkey? No, thanks. No, leaf feeder. Leaf feeder.
My worst summer job was working in a shoe store, but